how this Gen AI is reshaping the industries and job roles in today's economy.
Yeah. So this is a very valid question, and then you are seeing a lot of layoffs that is happening, like Amazon, to name the recent one. This is not because like Amazon doesn't have the money. They have huge reserves of money, but still they are laying off. That is because an AI agent is replacing some of the repetitive tasks. Okay. So the major advantage of a GenAI is recreating the data. The data is all. Data is the industry. So if you want to train a traditional model, you need a data. So everywhere data is there. When some model is ready to recreate this data, then obviously there will be a disruption. So in recently, after not only the GenAI, after that we have agentic AI, which is like putting a complete autonomous system in place which can solve all the purposes. For let's say you are in a marketing or a lead generation. Typically, what you will do is that a generation happens in a systematic way. You have a lot of employees. You need to make the calls, and then you need to qualify that, and then you need to create a pipeline for that, right? But what if an AI agent can do these repetitive tasks? Like I think you can build a response system, you can build a calling system and everything, and build a workflow so that everything is happening in a systematic way, right from the beginning to the end in an automatic way. So if we are able to build a system like this, imagine a lot of analyst roles, and then a lot of roles that is like a repetitive roles will be replaced. That is what happening in the industry. Even in the coding area, if you see, some of the manual testing roles are getting replaced because AI agents is able to do a lot of these tasks. So the it is reshaping. I mean, it is shifting from one type of skill set to another type of skill set. So people might think that, okay, AI agents are replacing, Gen AI is replacing what I should do. So in that case, you should be utilizing them. You should adapt these tools and then utilize that in your work, in your job. Then you would be aware of what is happening, and then you would become an indispensable resource for your company so that you won't be replaced as easy as they think, right? So it is important for you to understand this change is happening, and it is inevitable. This change is going to happen, and these AI agents are going to compete for your roles because they have a brain. Previously, the automation was without a brain. So if you people from the industry recollect, there is a tool called RPA, right? So it is an automating tool, but it doesn't have a brain, right? So it won't think. So you need to code everything step by step, and then it does the automating work. But now AI agents has a brain, which is a powerful large language model provided by OpenAI, Google, Meta, etc. So this brain combines with this automation scripts, they can do a lot of work which you are doing, like document creation, summarization, analysis. For instance, if you are in a finance industry, an analyst will do all the analysis. They will collect the data from the market and then do the analysis, calculation, and then finally create a report. Now all these steps can be done by an AI agent. That is what is happening. Now, what you have to do, you need to learn these agents, how these agents are being created. Okay, so it is not very difficult. So there are a lot of no code applications available. You need to be aware of what is happening. So once the first step is that you need to be aware of what is happening. Once that is done, then you will start learning and build the skills what is necessary for your role and responsibility. And then slowly you will try to adapt these, and you will try to merge with yourself with the AI revolution that is happening. Once you merge yourself, then it will be easy. Once you sit aside and then watch, it will be very difficult. So that's what I would like to tell the folks who are listening to this. You need to adapt this AI and make it part of your job responsibilities.